In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Equity Bank mobile app. So if you're having a challenge with your Equity Bank, maybe it is not opening or it keeps on hanging, then I'll show you how you can solve that issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and then tap on it to open. From here, go and look for apps. And when you tap on it, look for the function called manage apps. And then this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Then go ahead and look for Equity. And the Equity mobile app is here. Tap on it to open. And now we are interested in this app information page. Alternatively, you can also use a shortcut. And the shortcut is just simply locate your Equity mobile app and then long press on it. If you long press on it, you'll have app information option, which is here. This will still open app information. From here, we are interested in storage. Tap on it. And one of the reasons why your app is misbehaving is because of cache data. So cache data are usually files stored on your mobile app to enhance performance. However, the accumulation of this cache data may sometimes cause your app to misbehave or to start crashing. So we want to go ahead and clear this cache data. And to do so, we have the cache data option, which is here. Alternatively, if you go back, you'll still see clear data option here. So go ahead and tap on it and then look for the option called clear cache. Just tap on it and then OK. And then this will go ahead and clear all the cache that you had on your app. Now from here, restart your smartphone and then open your Equity mobile app and it should start working fine. But at this stage, if it is still not responding or if it is not opening, then you may want to go ahead and open Play Store and then look for your Equity mobile app. And the Equity Bank mobile app is here. Tap on it to open. Then look for any update if it is available. You might be using the outdated version and that's why you are having challenges with your app. So if you have the latest version, it will be indicated here. An update will be available. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version. Now from here, go ahead and log in and then everything should be okay. But should you still have a bug or anything that is still causing the app not to function, then go ahead and uninstall your app. You can uninstall it from here and then install it afresh. Alternatively, if you go to your app, you can still long press on it and then we shall have an install option, which is here. Then go back to your Play Store and install it afresh. By this time, everything should now be okay and your app should be working. But should you still experience any problem with the Equity Bank app, then you may have to contact Equity Bank to find out if they have a problem emanating from their end. By using any of these methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your Equity mobile bank app. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.